Hey! So I've been on kind of a denim bleaching kick lately, and so today I thought I would show you how easy it is to embellish that bleached denim a little bit more with some of the leftover denim scraps in your stash and create your very own patchwork kitty shirt.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.
For this delightful denim embellishing project, all you need is your shirt, a scrap of denim, scissors, chalk, some buttons for eyes, and your sewing gear. So your first step is to simply fold that scrap of denim in half with right sides facing, and then go ahead and sketch out the general shape and size that you would like your kitty cat heads to be. Keep in mind you should leave a little bit of extra for seam allowance and fraying.
Subscribe to my mom's channel, follow her on social media, and buy her ebooks. Yay! Thank you!
Once you're happy with the shape and size, go ahead and cut out both layers. Et voila, you now have two adorable, if basic, kitty cat shaped heads. And here's my absolutely favorite tool for destroying and fraying denim, a barbecue multi-brush. You have pretty much everything you need here to really give those edges a nice frayed look and give the body of your denim or the legs of your denim or the arms of your denim a really worn look as well. So yeah, let's get started. Always put a piece of cardboard or something else down on top of your work surface to protect it from the barbecue brush. And then go ahead and first using the wire brush, just kind of go over all of the edges. You can see already how quick that it pulls and frays the edges. You can also go over the edges with the scraper tool, and this will help to pull out more of the threads. And as a final touch, go around the edges with this firm sponge, and that will really kind of finish off the fray. Once you're happy with your fray, go ahead and chop off all the loose threads. If you want an even more frayed look, go ahead and toss those little kitty heads in with your next load of laundry, and that will really encourage those edges to get frayed up even more. Grab some buttons and go ahead and stitch them on for the eyes. Once you're happy with your little kitty cat faces, go ahead and pin them in place on the shirt and then stitch them on. If you'd like to, you could also embroider a little nose and whiskers, but I wanted mine to just be super simple and subtle. Once I had stitched on my lovely little titty kitties, I went ahead and threw the shirt in with my next load of laundry. And as you can see, it really did help to make that fray even more fabulously funky. I absolutely love my patchwork kitty shirt. Let me know what you think in a comment below. And yeah, if you want to see me do some more funktastic embellishing techniques on the rest of my rack of bleached denim victims over there. And yeah, feel free as always to subscribe and head on over to Confessions of a Refashionista at awesomesauceasshattery.com, where I have over 1,300 groove-tastic refashioning and upcycling tutorials for everyone in the house, plus the house itself, as well as loads of ethical fashion articles, sustainable lifestyle tips and tricks, and yeah, you could spend hours over there having fun. And as always, be sure to pick up my $3 ebooks as well. They're packed with tutorials and tips and tricks. And until next time, I'll catch ya on the zigzag.